18C has become legendary as a fully automatic pistol that everyone wants. The selector switch allows the user to choose between semi-automatic and full automatic firing modes. The 18C model has a modified slide and barrel with compensation slots that reduce muzzle flip and allow the shooter more control over the pistol, at least for the firearm. This is the officially licensed gas blowback airsoft version. It fires 6mm airsoft BBs at such a rapid rate that you will appreciate the standard extended magazine. We can all dream of owning and shooting the real deal fully automatic machine pistol. But in the meantime, go ahead and get your very own Glock 18C full auto airsoft pistol from your favorite sporting goods retailer today.
It's a spring-powered, single-shot airsoft pistol kit that fires 6mm airsoft BBs up to 275 feet per second. The pistol features a 15-round magazine, rear and front open sights. The kit includes a soft Cordura holster and a Velcro thumb brake, plus a trial pack of 12-gram airsoft BBs. It's a CO2-powered air pistol that shoots copperhead BBs. The air pistol combines handheld comfort with quality components at an affordable price. A quad rail system for mounting your favorite optic. A removable grip for easy CO2 replacement. A 20-shot quick-release magazine. The pistol also includes a Mach compensator and a Crosman laser. It's great for backyard target shooting and plinking. Take it outside with a Crosman Tactical C11 pistol.